Hello and welcome to the system. This is the most amazing and simplest way to build your websites, funnels, and everything that you want for your business. So to get you started, this is where your design will show. So you can quickly modify everything about your website, such as the header. You can drag and drop position of your elements to adjust the design that you want. You can double click to start editing anything on your design. So it's very simple and very responsive. By clicking on unblock, you can add a new section into your design. So let's say that you want to add something like this. You just click on it and you have it into your design. So you don't have to build it yourself. Let's just discard the changes. On the left side, you have your navigation. There you can find the dashboard first of all. You go into the dashboard where you can see overview, admins, billing, account, all the things included for your project. To go back to your website, just click on go to the builder. There you can also see the logout below the dashboard, and then you have the videos. In the video section you can find quick and really amazing videos on how to make different things about your pages, such as how to add a new page, how to modify your content, how to start your store and start selling right away, how to create your first funnels. So really amazing, quick and very useful videos that you can check out. Alright, so in this middle section you can actually find the pages and pop-ups. There you can navigate and create first of all new pages and new pop-ups. But you can also see all the different pages that you might have, access the blog, the store and the different funnels. So by clicking on add new, you can add a new page for example. And you can select the page that you want to add or start with an empty one if you wish. From the plus icon, you can access all the different widgets that you have inside the builder. So you can drag and drop any element anywhere that you want to your design, and the blue line will indicate where exactly it will go. So just drop it and you will see, and you can now start editing the button, and yeah, it will link anywhere that you want. If you don't want it, you can just click and delete it. From the brush you can find all the text styling globally for your website, so if you want to globally change your design you can do it here. You can also add new fonts to your website and pages, and also change the color palette. So by clicking on this color, for example, we can change everything to orange. So you can play around, and we have a video dedicated for the global styling, so you can check it out as well. From the funnel section, you can find all the different funnels that you might have into your website. And if you don't know what a funnel is, don't worry, it's really simple. It's pretty much pages connected together with a specific goal. For sales, for lead generation, and they're so converting, and this is very unique for our system. So we have a whole set of videos dedicated on those and how you can use them inside your website or for individual campaigns that you're running and you want to convert and sell as much as you can. Alright, so what else? You can also access your website settings, such as the domain, the language, the applications, the SEO and custom coding. So you can access it from here. It's really simple, and you can just click and navigate and see the different things. And from the eye icon you can actually preview the website and how it looks. You can see your pages, you can navigate to the mobile version and see how it looks. But everything scales down perfectly on mobile devices, so there is nothing to worry about. From the buttons actually at the bottom, you can even modify everything on mobile, so you can see how it looks, but you can also add new sections, hide different things, so you can create a completely different version for mobile devices. So what else you can see here? You can also navigate here and you can create new funnels and new websites. So in your project you can actually create a few versions of your website, and you can show only the one that you think that is the best one. You can also see the store if you're going to be selling stuff. So if you're going to sell stuff, you can check out the video or simply go to the store and see all the different orders, products that you can create, discounts, billings, etc. From the AEH section, you access the actual CRM. So there you see different customers that you may have. You can also see the different properties that you can create. So it's really simple and easy, and it's absolutely free, so you can use it for all your forms, websites and funnels to easily manage all your contacts and messages. And this is about a system. It's very straightforward. It's an amazing way to grow your business online by creating amazing websites, funnels to sell online, or just to generate leads. But this is the easiest way to do all that in a simple and fast way. You can modify everything about your design. You can copy things, you can create brand new pages, you can add new blocks with one click, and everything is mobile responsive. And you can connect the domain anytime that you want. So this is a quick overview in less than 5 minutes about the system. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate